Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a WhatsApp call not showing. So guys, if you are using WhatsApp and facing the issue when anyone uh, call you and your call is not showing on WhatsApp, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp app, and guys after this you need to click on three dot and click on settings. And guys after clicking on it, here is the option of notifications. So guys simply you need to click on it. And guys you need to check the all, turn on all the tabs here. So guys here you can see first one, conversation tones, you need to on it. And use high priority notifications on, reaction notification on, and all of these you need to make on. And guys the second method is you need to go back. And guys after this you need to open your settings in your phone. And after this you need to scroll down, and guys here is the option of notification center. So guys simply you need to click on it. And guys after doing this you need to wait for few seconds. So wait it. So guys here you can see here is the option of WhatsApp. So guys after turning on, then your problem will be fixed. So guys if it is turned off, then you can't see any call or any message notification on your WhatsApp. So guys if you have any kind of problem like messages not showing, call not showing, or any kind of notification not showing, then guys simply you need to turn on this tab, WhatsApp turn on. And guys after turning on this tab, then you will be able to show all the calls, all the messages, and all type of notification on WhatsApp. So guys after doing this method, your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to update your WhatsApp. So maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So how can you update? So guys simply you need to open your Play Store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. And after this click on WhatsApp and update from here. And after doing update, all the features are working fine. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.